What up, YouTube? It's Kikiko and I'm back at it with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey boo. So for today's video, I have 5 of these and then 1 of these, so 6 in total. So I'm gonna let y'all see me taking these shots one by one. So right now I am completely sober and we're just gonna see what the hell happens. Shot number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. I got 2 more to go, but it's not just 2, it's 1 and a big one. Number 5. Trying to not be negative, trying not to think about how bad it tastes. Let's hope I don't throw up. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for this thing to kick in and I'm gonna be right back once I feel like I'm a little tipsy, feeling a little, yeah. So I'm back. I'm gonna put this thing on. Get my hair out the way. First of all, I'm going to apply some color corrector because I have bags. A little pimple and then some there because I have a mustache. I'm going to wet that and I'm going to tap 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 tap. Honestly, I hope this doesn't be a failure. I hope that I can be doing a good makeup tutorial for you guys. I think I put too much, but we're gonna see how it turns out in the end of the video. Why do I sound like a robot? So I'm going in with my foundation and I'm going with my foundation. Okay, let's be normal. Okay. All right. So I'm going with my foundation. Okay. So I'm putting my foundation normal. We regular right now, like we regular. And then I'm hot. I'm dead hot. I'm fucking hot as hell. I forgot to do my eyebrows. I always do my eyebrows first. What the fuck? Don't worry. Don't feel bad for me, guys. Just know I'm gonna work it out. You know, plan A didn't work and plan A is doing things how I normally do it, but now I have to do it a different way because I don't know why I did that. I forgot to do my eyebrows, guys. I forgot to do my eyebrows. I forgot to do my eyebrows. Stop crying. Okay, don't cry. Don't cry, bro. Don't cry, bro. Don't cry, bro. Bro, hold on. Okay, I think I need another shot because this shit is blowing minds right now. But as you can see, my foundation came in clutch right now. No funny shit. Like, I feel like I applied the foundation really good. And I'm gonna use my other brush so I can apply it even better. And don't forget the neck. You see, I know what I'm talking about. I swear to God, I know what I'm talking about. Yes. If you guys see my mustache, don't mind it. I had to go to the waxing place, but I can't go because of coronavirus. So things are closed down right now because of coronavirus. So fuck that bitch. That bitch coronavirus should be blowing minds. Like, niggas wanna be outside with it. Like, don't nobody wanna be in this fucking crib. Like, yo, let's talk about coronavirus. Like, why is that bitch coming for us? Like, yo, what the fuck we gonna do back to them? Like, we can't stay like that. Like, what we gonna do? What we gonna make up? Let's make a virus for whoever brought this virus to us. Let's make a virus and put it in their country, and we could really get it with them. Like, no funny shit. Like, what y'all trying to do? And create a cure, and then we can create another virus to attack them back, and then make sure we close. Make sure we don't allow whoever did this to us. They can't leave their country, and they can't come to here, and they can't go to nowhere else, only their country. So whoever did this to us, we have to get them back. I'm telling you guys, we have to get them back. For real, I'm not even playing right now. Like, y'all might think I'm drunk right now, but I know what I'm talking about, because this is the concealer brush and I'm using the concealer brush. That's how you know I know what I'm talking about. Yo, watch when I set this shit. Y'all gonna be like, oh shit. I got this in TJ Maxx at my job. Shit, me. You know that discount code clutch. Oh, I let it all fall in the areas that's not supposed to fall in. Hey guys, so how are you guys though? Like, are you guys feeling good? Are you depressed? If you are depressed because we are in quarantine, I feel so sorry. Like, I don't want you to be depressed. I don't like when people are sad. I just want people to be happy all the time. And I just don't want people to be sad, because I don't like when people are sad. It's just not fun. And I don't like when people are sad. I don't like to see people sad. It makes me sad. Like when people cry. Like one time I was in a funeral, and you know, I was chilling, whatever, and you know, I had my head down because I didn't want to cry, and then I seen so many people crying, and it made me cry because I don't like to see people sad. So I want everybody to put a smile in the comments. If you're watching this, put a smile. If you don't put a smile, then you don't fuck with me. See, I'm a little lit right now or whatever, but like, I know what I'm talking about. Like, I know what I'm doing right now. And I'm using the exact same brushes I'm supposed to use. This is the same brush I would use on the regular. And this is my favorite blush. It's Imani Natural Inmates. I stole this blush from my sister. LOL. So then I take this blush. I like it because it doesn't have a pink tone. It has a coral tone, and it's just different, and it's just more natural and flawless. And I don't look pinky dinky do. I look just bomb with this blush. I just love it, even though pink is my favorite color, but I love this blush even more because it's so peachy and it just goes more, and I don't look like a clown. What the hell did I do? Wait, time out. What the hell? Is the bus running at this time? The bus don't even run through where I live at, so why the fuck is the bus running at this time? That's what I'm talking about. Yo, chill. If you make a mistake, all you gotta do is buff it out and blend it out. You know, the beauty of makeup is that you can always blend things out, and then you will be alright. You feel me? I still haven't done my eyebrows, but just know I got that in my mind. Oh shit. Okay, so I got the blush. I need more blush. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it with a pinky tone, just cause I don't usually do this because I like that blush so much, but I just feel like I need some more. I don't know why. Okay, I don't want to put more because then I'm going to look like a clown. Why am I talking like this? I don't know. I'm making social mess. Why am I talking like this? I don't know. Somebody help me. I have to put some contour on my nose because my nose is so big. Just kidding. I just do it because it's a part of the routine. and I fucking feel like it. I put too much, but it's okay because we gonna blend it out. And that's why I love makeup, because you can fix it. Am I making too much? I feel like I'm making mad noise and everybody is sleeping. Brush that I use to blend out my nose contour. Is this my new accent? Who talk like this? Where did I get it from? Or did I just make it up myself? Is this my new thing? We're in the hummingbird. What's the hummingbird? I've heard of it, but I don't really know what it is. Is humming my new thing? We're blending out the contour. I look so stupid, but it's blending out really good. Just know I know what I'm doing. Just know that we are good. Just know that you are having fun. You are a church person. God told me to tell you that He wants you to have fun. I swear to God, because He told me that Himself. And then He told me to tell you guys to have fun in this world. I'm going to fix my contour right now. If you think it looks crazy, I know what I'm doing. Just know that you a stupid bitch. Just know that I love you. If you're watching this video. Ooh. I think it's time to do my eyebrows before I forget to do them. I've never done my eyebrows after my highlight and contour routine, but I think this is the first time, and I don't know how it's gonna come out, and I am going to follow my normal routine, and then I'm going to do the same thing, and then maybe it'll come out good. And I'm blowing away all the makeup from my mirror so I can know what I'm doing. My mirror looks dirty, but it's okay because I fucking clean it later after the video. Shut up, just do your fucking eyebrows. I don't want to look in the mirror, I want to look in the camera. Am I doing a stupid ass bitch job? What the hell? No. I'm going to look at in the mirror, and then what the hell am I doing? I don't want my eyebrows to come out ugly. What the fuck did I do? That is not looking cutie. And then I do my other eyebrow, and then I just go simple. And then this one is looking fine so far. And then this one is looking goody. And then, yeah. Okay, this one is looking poppin'. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, what's poppin'? This one is looking goody. But what did I do to this one? I swear I don't know what I'm doing. But then again, I know what I'm doing. Remember one time I was fighting, and the bitch said, "You stupid ass bitch." And I was like, haha, bitch, you are mad. Liquor doesn't run me, I run it. I'm going to take my sweet time with this eyebrow. And I know what I'm doing. My eyebrows actually came out pretty good. If you think otherwise, then suck up. Suck a fart. I have to match with my shirt, right? So I have yellow, red, orange. Okay, so I'm gonna put yellow. So I'm gonna go with yellow first. So yellow. I can't breathe. I need some water. So we went and we got the shot. And another blender brush. I think this will match. India Wawa. And then I'm just taking it all around. I love the fact this has a big ass mirror for I can see my big ass face. And I can just see myself. Go with another brush. And this is a flat one. And it's from eyeshadow. It's from Elf. Going with photo of the day right here. And then I'm gonna go. I have to look in the mirror. I'm sorry. So first photo in the day. Yo, no funny shit. I'm gonna try to do my eyeliner with this. If I fail, that's gonna be the automatic L. If I pass, that's gonna be the automatic W, because eyeliner is like my weakest, you know how you have your weakest thing when it comes to whatever you do? Eyeliner is my weakest thing. I'm not even gonna lie, but I'm gonna just try my weakest thing, cause nigga, I like a challenge. Like, what's up? Challenge me, bitch. What up? What you trying to do? I don't have my glitter primer, so I'm not gonna use it. I feel like I'm gonna be eye. I'm challenging myself. Gonna put some eyeshadow under my bottom lash line. I don't find my normal highlight brush, so I'm using this. So what's going on now is that I'm putting on mascara, and I'm going in with the Better Than Sex mascara, but it's not really better than sex. That's just what they say. I put like 3 different lip glosses on right now. I'm taking this setting spray and I'm taking it all around the world. That felt so good. Then I'm going to take this sponge and I'm going to go like that before I can blend out and harsh lines. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and share. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that bell notification button so you won't miss another one. Let me know what you guys think about this look, and let me know what you guys think about this video down in the comments below. Mwah.